have Google Pixel XL, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. Release both keys as soon as bootloader mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's choose here the recovery mode and press power button to choose it. So as you can see, the device is booting into recovery mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And the no command picture pops up, so it means that now you need to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. That's it, this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can use a couple of useful information, you can read it from here. You may also navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can apply update from the ADB, you can apply update from the SD card, you can accomplish the hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset, you may also mount system, view recovery logs, or run graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off, or the first option, which is reboot system now. So in my case, let me choose reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and wait until the phone boots into a normal mode. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.